Hello guys, this is my old HP laptop and it has an Intel i3-7020U processor with the Intel HD graphics 620, and also it got a 16 GB RAM and 128 GB SSD with hard drive of 500 GB. I have installed the Linux Mint 2022.3 Cinnamon uh, to test if this laptop can still work with the Linux system, and I was surprised to see that after installing the Cinnamon it works much more faster than before, because I was not able to install the Windows 11 on this laptop, so that's why I have installed the Linux. So I'm probably going to start using this system from now on, and if I get used to with the Cinnamon, I'm probably going to install it with on my main PC. So I actually forgot to make a video of the installation process, but this is what I have installed. You can see the system information in here, and also I can show you, like, we can just run a couple of update command to see how it's going to work. Okay, so first one I'm going to run is sudo apt and update, the basic one basically. I'll enter my password, and that should run any updates that is pending on the Linux. Okay, so that was quick. Now I'll also going to run the to release upgrade for this Linux Cinnamon version, and to see if is there any Windows update for that one. Okay, I wouldn't say like a Windows update. Wait a second. Command not found. Wait. I hope that was the correct one. To release upgrade. Yeah, that is the correct one. Let's do upgrade. Yes, I wanted to upgrade that. Yeah, so this is going to take a little bit time. Okay, so the process is almost about to finish. Okay, so the upgrade is now completed. Okay, so this laptop is not a powerful laptop, but instead of just leaving it unused, I was thinking to just install this Linux so I can learn some some Linux program, and also to have a dedicated machine for the Linux, and see if I can also learn a coding and complete some of my coding project with this laptop. Okay, so for this video, this is all I'm going to show you, but if you like this video and if you want to watch some more, please subscribe my channel, and if you want to follow the project, just leave a like on this one, so I'll make the next video soon.